Hello again. We are here at the tutorial number 3, and again we are going to have a look at wireless and insecurities. Okay, this is the topic for today: wireless architecture and insecurities. Something for beginners is that the communication that happens over a wireless network, it happens over frames. This. Okay, I don't think it's possible. Okay, let's save the image. Perfect. Okay, and this is the picture. So, I said that the communication happens over frames, and we have 3 different frames. The frames of management, the frames of control, and the frames of data. All these frames at their own, it has some subtypes, some subframes. And what is the most important, it is data frames that carry the actual data that it is sent on a wireless network. We are going to see today how to sniff packets with a program that it is called Wireshark. Anyway, you can use other tools like airdump, tcdump, tshark, or whatever that you can use for sniffing as well. Let's open the terminal and go in practice. I have my wireless card with name wlan0, and you can see that it is in the management, and access point it is not associated. So I'm not connected with my wireless card, and the mode it is management. So the main command, it will be ifconfig 0 up to bring the wireless card up in your case. And the second step is I have to pass from mode managed to mode monitor, so I can monitor all the traffic that it is sent from different routers, but especially from a target router. So I will be able to look all the packets, but I'm interested in some target, in some router, that it will be my own router. Okay, and we can use a tool that it is called airmon-ng, in order to bring up the wireless into monitor mode. So airmon-ng, if you type without any parameter, you can see that I have an interface. So let's start. Then 0. Okay. Here it is saying that it has some PID, some services, some tasks that are preventing me from turning into a monitor mode, but these are killed. And if I type again this command, I should see, instead of mode managed, the mode monitor. Let's check. Okay, the interface now, it is wlan 0 mon, and the mode it is monitor. If I use again the command airmon-ng, I will be able to look. The name that it is different now. With this interface, I am able to catch all the traffic, and using also Wireshark, that it is a network analyzer, I am able to catch all the traffic from wired, wireless or external. I am going to choose only wireless, and you can see that it is this interface, wireless 0 mon. If I click there, I am able to look some information. But what it is most important, it is this filter section right here. And as we have mentioned, we have 3 types of frames. So in order to look for the frame 1, that it was managed, we are right here. Okay, I forget to write. We had 3 frames, wireless frames, management, control, and data. So in order to check for the management, it is the command, it is the filter wlan.fis.type equal to 0. And for the second one, it is to 1. And for this, okay, it is just 2. So if you want to filter, just apply here a filter. Okay, we have done maybe some mistake. Type. Okay. And we are right here. With 2 equal signs, we are able to have the management frames. We are going to look in details these things, the interface, the frame, the headers. But that was for today. How to sniff packets, how to understand a bit frames, and how to use a bit Wireshark. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.